Hey guys, it's your girl Shay and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys another fashion haul. I decided that I'm going to just get some things for the spring and the summertime and just show you guys what I came up with. I got some things from Fashion Nova, of course. You know I love Fashion Nova. I got some things from Forever 21 and a couple of other stores. And I thought I would just show you guys what I got and, let's get started. Okay, so my first item is going to be the Fortune Keeper set. I got this in a size medium. This is a long sleeve and it has like this little turtleneck situation going on, and it comes with this skirt. When I seen this on Fashion, oh, I got this, yeah, from Fashion Nova. When I seen this on Fashion Nova, I thought that this was just one piece. But then, when I got it in the mail, I see that it's two pieces. But I definitely like the way this looks. Make me feel like I got some money. Like, okay. Um, yeah, I think that it's cute. It has like the little jewel colors on it. This, for me, this reminds me of like a treasure chest or something. But I was like, all right, I'm about to be walking around here looking like a bag of money. Yes. It's definitely a stretchy material. And it's not see-through. So I definitely love that about it. So I was like, okay, go ahead, Fashion Nova. This is definitely a loud piece. I'm more into like black. Yeah, so I'm, I'm definitely into like the black colors. So for me to just pop out in some yellow with some green and blue, I was like, you know what? Let me just come out of my element a little bit. But I definitely like this. This is a cute shirt from Forever 21. This is like a crop top. It says knit top off the shoulder. This is off the shoulder shirt. I was a little skeptical because of the front part. You know, I didn't want no goods showing or anything like that. But this is actually a cute top. I got this in a size large because the medium was a little too tight and a little too small. It definitely fit me too snug, and I did not like that at all. So this is definitely a cute outfit. It has little silver hoops in it. Most of y'all know I'm not a fan of silver whatsoever, but I know I can make this work. So, okay, so the next outfit that I got is from Fashion Nova. This one is called the Here We Go Again match. It's a white combo. I got this in a size medium. Now, when I bought this, it was completely different from what I thought I seen. I don't know what I was looking at, and I got glasses on, so I don't know what the excuse was, but this is not my favorite outfit at all. I'm not a fan of the double layered flare arms. Um, yeah, this is not really my style. I don't know what I was thinking when I got this. It comes with the shorts. Now the shorts I may wear. I like these. This is definitely a dope pair of shorts. It has like this little flower knitting in it. You know, this is, and it's not see-through. It comes with like the slip on the inside, and it has a zipper in the back. It also comes with a little clamp piece, so you can clamp it up. But the shorts I really, really like, so I might be wearing the shorts. Yes, and I got this one in a size medium. Yeah, I don't know. This gives me like, I don't know, like salsa vibes, you know. I don't know. Maybe I could finesse this. I don't know. I gotta see where would I be going first of all to be wearing this. That I got from Forever 21. It's blue with some floral print on it. And it was on sale for $12. Um, Jumpsuit, cami, light blue and pink. I guess the pink is the flowers. But this is cute. I love me some rompers in the summertime. Only thing I don't really like about this is that it doesn't have pockets. I usually like my rompers to have pockets. It has the spaghetti straps and it has the adjustable part. You know, just in case you need to adjust yourself. It has this like, what do you call this? Like this scrunchy part. I don't know what it's called, but anyways, it has this like little part here that I like. This is cute. I really like this, and I got this one in a size medium. So this definitely gives me summer vibes. It's nice and thin, but it's not see-through. Can you see through it? No, not really. And this is cute. You can wear this on the beach. You could just wear this to the park. This is definitely a cute piece. Is from Fashion Nova. And this one is, let me see, Dream Print Jogger. And I got this one in a medium. And I like these a lot. I think these are really cute. It comes with the cuff at the bottom. I like my joggers to have the cuffs. Like, I think this is cute. You can wear these with a pair of heels. You can wear this with sneakers, sandals. I felt like this was definitely summer vibes. It's not thick at all. It does come with a slip on the inside, I guess, to cover up. But there's nothing really you need to cover up because it's not see-through. The slip stops at like right here, kind of like shorts, but you can't really see through it at the bottom, so you're good. It has the string so that you can tie it. I like this. I like this color. This is really cute, and I got this in a size medium. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. This item that I got from Fashion Nova is called the Raining Daisies Mesh Top. And I got this in a size medium. Okay, this is definitely a see-through piece. When they say mesh, they meant that you could see me through it. Let me just tell you guys, when I took this out of the packaging, it smelled so bad. I mean, it was like, what the hell is this? What did y'all pack this in? I was not happy whatsoever. I was like, yo, I can't just put this definitely has to get washed. Now the scent is not there, obviously, but I was like, yo, I don't know, but I felt like this is definitely summer vibes. You know, you could wear this with a nice black bra or bandeau. Is it bandeau? You know, the tops, you know. Yeah, whatever. You can wear with those, nice pair of shorts, you know, the cute some sandals. I definitely like this piece. I was looking for something like this for so long, but I couldn't find anything. I was looking on the websites, I was looking in the stores, Fashion Nova everywhere, and all of a sudden I went on Fashion Nova. And they had it. Of course they'll have it. So yes, I was happy to actually find this. Only thing, like I said, was that it smelled so bad when I took it out the packaging. So Fashion Nova, I'm gonna need y'all to do a little bit better with that. But other than that, this is definitely a cute top. Oh, and one thing about this is that this doesn't stretch at the top. So if you got a big head like I do, you might want to take your time. And see, I gotta take my glasses off. I gotta take everything off before I can get my head to fit up in here. But other than that, like I said, this is cute. It has like this, oh, the arms is a little bit more stretchy. So why have to make the neck stretchy? Like, I mean, what is that about? But yeah, this is cute. It has little flowers on the front. And this, you can wear this like, this is a long oversized piece. So you can wear this kind of like a dress if you want to. It comes down to like my knees, but this is cute. I like this. So you definitely get my vote for this. Only thing is the smell was not cute. Last piece is one of my favorite pieces, and the name of this one is called Fearless Color Block Romper, and I got this in a size medium. This is giving me all types of motorsport Cardi B vibes. I was like, okay, I need to be on the back of somebody's motorcycle this summer. All right, this is definitely a dope outfit. I got it in a medium. I should have got it in a large because yeah, this is tight. the thing about this is that I feel like wearing this, don't wear this on a hot day because you sweat in this, okay? This is definitely for a cool breezy day, or you know what I'm saying, something like that. Spring, you could definitely wear this in the spring, but don't wear this in the summer, because when I tell you you're gonna sweat, you're gonna sweat, because this is really, it's thick material. It's stretchy though, it's definitely a stretchy material, but it's thick, and for you to be in a romper that's tight fitted, it's thick, you're gonna sweat. So definitely go up one size. That's what I should have did. And the colors are dope, like how they put all the colors together. They got the blue, the white, the black, and the orange. I was like, where the hell am I gonna wear this to? But I'm gonna find somewhere. If I gotta be like, hey, let me get on the back of your bike, I'm gonna get on the back of somebody's bike or something. I'm taking this somewhere. But definitely pair this up with some heels. Me, most likely, my style, I would pair this up with some sneakers. I'm not wearing heels with this on. So, they're mowing the lawn. Anyway, so we'll be pairing this up with a pair of sneakers. Maybe go to an amusement park, a fair. Like I said, ride on the back of somebody's bike. But, yeah. A pair of shoes from Fashion Nova. See, I bought a couple of pairs of shoes from Fashion Nova, but I've never actually gotten a box from Fashion Nova. I finally got me a box from Fashion Nova. Yay. So, I don't know if they came with a name. Do you know a name? Simply Chic Heel. So, I got these heels. Me, I'm a fan of thick heels. Chunky heels, however you want to call it, because me and stilettos don't go together. I do not like stilettos. But yes, I got these in a size 9. They are true to size. I like the way they fit. They're very comfortable, and they are suede. They come with this little strap at the top, which is what I like. Gives you a little bit more support. And it has like this little platform at the bottom. But yeah, this is cute. I like this. Alright guys, so this is the end of my haul. If there's anything that you guys would like to see, if you like some of the outfits, if you didn't like the outfits, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe to this video. Tell me what you guys think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.